A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When you see things that go bad in the world around you, what you do? You take away yourself, or you try to see how God can use you to make a difference. Why you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, beg you do it now. No, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 13 to verse 16. You know, I like salt for the whole world, you know. But if the taste gone out of salt, or if it tastes back like salt, it know what not now. It fi just dash way and tap up pan. You know, I like light where the whole world need. One city where they pan the hilltop, you can't hide. Nobody no light lamp and cover it up under one bowl. No, sir. Lamp put on where it can light up the whole house. I same so, when fi shine on a light, make everybody see. That way there, they can see the good sitting where you do. And big up on Father where they are heaven. I God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.